We think we'll be happy once we get that big promotion. It's the ultimate goal. It could be about finally buying that perfect house you have always dreamed about, or finding that one true partner you want to share everything with. Even when we finally achieve the things we've been chasing, the satisfaction we feel is so often brief, and it almost immediately begins to wear off. We've chased happiness thinking it was a place to reach, but what if it's not a destination but something that has been with us all along? But what if we imagined this was a specific state of mind, a skill that you could actually practice and develop through focused and intentional training? The celebrated book, The Art of Happiness, continues to offer its profound wisdom as a timeless guide for our personal journey to a more meaningful life. We have an incredible opportunity to explore the ways we can train our minds to cultivate authentic compassion for ourselves and for all those around us, and to find a lasting purpose that serves as your anchor through all of the inevitable highs and lows that life will constantly bring your way. Idea 1. The purpose of life is happiness. Ultimately, life's purpose is happiness, a simple quest and the common thread that ties all humanity together with one single universal desire. True happiness isn't something you can pursue directly, but the beautiful shadow that follows you when you are walking along the right path in life. True peace isn't found in external events, but in our inner response. We can't control the outside world, but we can always control our own minds. A true sense of purpose gives you a reason to get up in the morning, and it's the clear direction that drives you toward lasting happiness. Purpose doesn't have to be some grand mission. It is often found in simple kindness, in the pursuit of knowledge, or in caring for the people we love. This belief transforms our view of life, allowing us to see challenges not as obstacles, but as powerful chances for growth and resilience. Our toughest challenges can bring us happiness by helping us grow stronger and showing us the incredible inner strength we have always possessed. True happiness is a deep fulfillment and peace, a feeling of contentment that lights our way and guides us through all of life's important choices.
Before we continue the video, let's be honest about reading. If you're a visual learner, trying to force your way through a book can be painful. Reading a full book can feel impossible because your brain craves visual stimulation and words on a page just don't provide that spark. But with the BookWatch app, you can absorb an entire book in just 15 minutes with our animated book summaries. We create engaging visuals that match exactly how your brain works for thousands of books. Start learning the way your brain is truly meant to. Download the BookWatch app free with the link in the description or search BookWatch in the App Store. Also, if you are enjoying our free content on YouTube, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Idea 2. Happiness and state of mind. Real happiness isn't found in the world around you. It's a state of mind that grows from within a feeling you can consciously learn to cultivate. When two people face the same challenge, one can feel complete despair while the other stays calm and sees a small possibility for hope. Think of your mind like a muscle, because focusing on anger or jealousy just strengthens those negative pathways until they become automatic. When you practice patience and calmness, these positive qualities will grow. This helps train your mind to naturally default to a more peaceful state. When faced with tough emotions, you can learn to navigate them. This skill helps you find balance instead of being overwhelmed by the storm. When you face a difficult situation, try reframing your point of view. Ask what lesson it holds or look for one small positive aspect to focus on. This doesn't mean pretending everything is fine. It means holding on to hope and searching for solutions instead of dwelling only on the problem. By caring for your mind, you create a protective sanctuary. You can stay peaceful and happy inside, even when the world outside is difficult. Idea 3. The benefits of compassion. Compassion isn't just for others. It has profound advantages for the person who practices it, bringing them personal fulfillment and happiness. When you focus on the well-being of others, your own peace of mind grows, and your inner world becomes remarkably calmer and more stable. When you are compassionate, you create a positive atmosphere around you. This positive energy naturally improves your relationships with others. It isn't pity, but a respectful recognition of someone's situation and an authentic desire to help while seeing them as a complete and total equal. Compassion fosters emotional stability, and shifting your focus away from your own problems helps reduce personal stress and anxiety. Engaging in compassionate acts triggers your brain's pleasure centers, making kindness a genuine biochemical reward that is highly beneficial for you. The simple act of witnessing compassion is a powerful experience that can genuinely increase your own personal happiness and overall well-being. The positive feelings from compassion also boost your physical health, strengthening the immune system and potentially leading to a much longer life. By practicing compassion, you're not just helping others, you are setting up a cycle of positivity that enhances your own experience of life. Idea 4, training the mind. Training your mind is key to happiness. It's about practicing mindfulness and guiding your thoughts toward well-being and a positive outlook. Think of your mind as a muscle. Just like physical exercise, mental exercises can keep it healthy, focused, and strong on positive thoughts. The first step is awareness. Step back and watch the traffic of your mind, seeing thoughts come and go without ever getting attached to them. Developing positive thinking is like planting a garden. You must cultivate the right conditions for your positive thoughts to grow and flourish. Meditation is a key practice to calm the mind, quiet random thoughts, and build a profound foundation for inner peace and lasting deep focus. When negative thoughts arise, don't fight them back. Instead, simply acknowledge they are there and then gently allow them to continue on past you. Imagine you're by a stream watching leaves float past. You can notice the ugly and pretty ones, but you just let them all drift on and peacefully go. Training your mind changes your perspective, so challenges feel less daunting, and you can calmly and effectively discover the best possible solutions. Mind training is a gentle and gradual process, not a quick fix, so it's all about consistent practice and being kind to yourself along the journey. Over time, this mental training helps you achieve a more consistently happy, calm, and peaceful state of mind throughout your everyday life. Idea 5, transforming suffering. Transforming suffering is about understanding that pain and hardship are a natural part of life. It is not something to be avoided or denied. We can see suffering not as something to avoid, but as a powerful catalyst for our own self-improvement and profound personal growth. When faced with tough times, you can ask what can be learned. Behind every difficult situation, there's an opportunity to learn something valuable. Challenges can teach you about resilience. They show you that you're capable of withstanding hardships and emerging stronger on the other side. Embracing suffering involves developing empathy. When you have experienced pain, you're more likely to understand what others are going through. You can transform suffering simply by changing your perspective and finding the goodness and beauty that still exists in your life. It's about finding meaning in suffering. Instead of seeing it as pointless, look for how it enriches your life, making you more compassionate. This process is about letting go of control, accepting what is beyond you, and focusing your energy on how you choose to react to whatever happens. Transforming suffering is not just about enduring pain. It's about using it to forge a richer, more meaningful life and unlock profound personal growth. Idea 6, the importance of warm relationships. Warm relationships are essential for our well-being and happiness. Close bonds with friends and family give us a sense of belonging and support. These relationships offer the love and security to face life's challenges, keeping us grounded and providing a true and profound sense of safety. Nurturing our bonds means putting in time and effort. We listen and share our experiences, and we are always there to extend a helping hand. The beautiful thing about caring for others is how it enriches our own lives, making us feel more connected and bringing a deeper experience of joy. Building warm relationships means showing empathy. Being present for others during tough times can create much deeper, more meaningful bonds. Let's all try to be more compassionate and thoughtful, remembering that small acts of kindness and just being a good listener can make all the difference. These bonds create an emotional safety net to catch us when we fall and lift us back up again, ultimately making us more resilient and stronger. Investing in relationships means investing in our own happiness, as the warmth we give and receive is one of life's most cherished experiences. Idea 7, dealing with anger and hatred. Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal to throw at someone else. Ultimately, you are the one who gets burned by your own negative emotions. The first step is to recognize the moment you start to feel angry. It's crucial to catch the emotion before it grows and takes complete control. Try to stay calm and look at the situation from different angles. Understanding why someone acted a certain way can diffuse your initial feelings. Patience and tolerance are powerful tools against anger. If you can tolerate difficult situations, you are less likely to let them affect your peace. This doesn't mean you should let people treat you badly. It means you handle problems by setting firm boundaries without letting anger take over. Empathy can truly change your perspective. Seeing the world through their eyes helps you understand their actions with much greater compassion. If you can feel some kindness for the person who made you angry, it's much harder to hold on to that anger. Compassion is the antidote to hatred. Consider the negative consequences of anger. Knowing it can ruin your day or hurt your relationships makes it easier to decide that it's not worth it. Choosing to let go of anger is a conscious decision that leads to a happier life. This freedom allows you to move forward with peace and clarity. Idea 8. Self-created suffering. We cause our own pain with our thoughts. This suffering comes from not accepting reality and wanting things to be different than they actually are. Holding on to anger or desire is a common trap, as the real pain comes from our negative reaction to an event, not the event itself. Our minds often make problems seem much bigger than they are. By replaying negative thoughts, we add fuel to the fire and make our suffering grow. The first step to stopping this cycle is simply to recognize it. We must become aware of when we are stuck in these patterns of negative thinking. We have the power to change our focus and our perspective. Instead of dwelling on what's wrong, we can actively look for a solution or a positive. A key part of this process is learning when to just let things go. Not everything requires a strong reaction. Some things just need acceptance. Accept reality, including your own difficult feelings. By facing them without judgment, we can understand them and rob them of their power over us. The ultimate solution is to work on our inner selves. Developing compassion and patience helps overshadow the thoughts that cause us so much pain. Idea 9. Shifting perspective. Shifting your perspective is seeing a problem from all angles, like walking around a mountain instead of only looking at one side. This can completely change how you see your problems. What once seemed big and scary can suddenly become much smaller and less intimidating. Imagine having a bad day because you missed the bus and were late. It's easy to get stuck on the annoyance and frustration of that single moment. But if you shift your perspective, you might find a silver lining. Maybe that delay gave you extra time to listen to your favorite uplifting song. Looking at the lives of others can also help shift your viewpoint. Seeing people handle tougher challenges can put your own problems in a new light. You might start to think, if they can handle their incredible challenges, then perhaps I have the strength to handle my own challenges as well. Try thinking about your future self and ask if this problem that feels so huge today will even matter to you in 5 or 10 years. A different viewpoint can reveal new solutions and might even make you realize that some things were never really problems to begin with. It's almost like magic how one simple change in your thinking can make you feel so much better and more in control of your entire life. Idea 10. Spirituality as a path to happiness. Spirituality is the journey beyond daily routines to explore life's deeper meaning and understand our profound connection with the world around us. It offers a new perspective. We can't control life's events, but we can choose our response, and that is the true key to finding deeper contentment. Being spiritual means being aware of feelings without being swept away. It is like watching clouds pass by, reducing stress and calming the mind. Knowing we are all connected inspires compassion, and acting with kindness boosts our mood while creating a positive ripple effect for everyone. Meditation creates a welcome oasis of calm in life's chaos, where your worries can finally fade, and true happiness is given the space to grow. True spirituality isn't about rigid rules, but is about discovering your own personal path to a more fulfilling and genuinely happy existence. These practices and beliefs are your personal tools for consciously building a life where true happiness can genuinely find its home. This isn't a simple quick fix. It's a lifelong journey that helps you build and sustain a truly powerful, enduring sense of personal joy.